Hey guys, Troy here. This is Surrounded, Fight My Battles by Bethel, led by Josh Baldwin. This is a live version on YouTube, and we play the song for our Tuesday night addiction recovery gatherings, and the version we do is kind of loosely based around this, so I figured I'd show you the parts that I play on it. It's not anything that I hear on the recording. You can't really tell what the tracks are doing, so this is stuff that I just made up throughout the times we play it, and I feel like it works well. So hopefully it works for you too, and if you're looking for ideas for this particular song, hopefully this helps out and maybe kind of sparks something and then ends up as some parts that you can play and apply when you guys play the song at your church. The message in this song, throughout the whole thing, it's just a build, and it's an emotional song, but we don't want to get hung up on the emotion of the builds and the great instrumentation. We want to get hung up on the emotion of the words and what we are singing to the Lord. And in this song, it's an awesome message. If you remember Exodus 14, Moses basically tells the Israelites that the Lord will fight for you and you need only to be silent. You need only to be silent. And that is such a cool message, that you rest in the safety of the Lord. You rest in his provision. You rest in his sovereignty. Not that you don't need to get after it from time to time, but it always helps to know that it's not you that is in control. It is God. And Romans 8, obviously one of the greatest promises in the Bible, that things work out for good for those that love the Lord and are called according to his purpose. And it's a very, very special verse. The song is a very, very special song, especially when we sing it over the addiction recovery gathering. Those folks are hurting, they're broken, they're in darkness, and this song is an anthem for them. And as I mentioned in previous videos, sorry for the long intro, but as I've mentioned in previous videos, I feel like when we sing, for them, especially, we're praying over them, that the Lord would make those words a reality for them, and that he would capture their heart, and they would repent, and they would turn to him for their salvation and their joy and all of their sustenance and everything. So if you want the pedal board shot and the short lesson and the explanation of tones, that's over at GuitarforHISGLORY.com, as well as the tablature that pops up on the video. So if you need that, that's over there. If not, hope you guys enjoy this little playthrough of Surrounded, Fight My Battles.